Have you ever considered the profound impact a home-cooked meal can have on your health, wallet, and overall well-being? Did you know that a home-cooked meal might just be the perfect recipe for a healthier, happier you? In this video, we will be exploring the benefits of learning to cook, improved health and diet. One benefit of consuming home-cooked meals involves a substantial improvement in overall health and dietary habits. A study conducted in the United Kingdom delved into the positive impacts of regular home-cooked meal consumption, analyzing data from over 11,000 participants. The findings revealed that those who regularly enjoyed home-cooked meals experienced a 28% lower likelihood of an overweight BMI, a 24% reduced chance of excess body fat, and a 28% reduced risk of high cholesterol. Additionally, individuals consuming home-cooked meals more than 5 times per week exhibited a lower risk of diabetes, coupled with a substantial increase in daily fruit and vegetable intake. The participants had an additional 62.3 grams of fruit, an increase of over 75%, and 97.8 grams of vegetables, an increase of almost 125%. Cost savings. Another benefit of home-cooked meals is the substantial financial savings it offers. A study conducted by Priceonomics analyzed 86 popular dinner recipes and discovered that the average cost per serving for home-cooked meals is approximately $4. In contrast, food delivered from a restaurant can escalate to over $20 per serving, making it more than 5 times as expensive. This highlights that cooking at home can be almost 5 times more economical than eating out. Mental health benefits. Another benefit of home-cooked meals involves the positive impact it can have on mental health. This was demonstrated in a study conducted by Edith Cowan University, where 657 participants were enrolled into a 7-week healthy cooking course. The results demonstrated that participants not only experienced substantial improvements in overall health and mental well-being during the course, but also maintained these benefits 6 months after its conclusion. This underscores the enduring positive influence of home cooking on mental health, making it a key part of an overall healthy and balanced lifestyle. Social connections. Another benefit of home-cooked meals is the joy of cooking for others. The act of preparing meals and sharing them with friends and family fosters a sense of fulfillment and selflessness. Seeing people enjoy the food you've made not only brings happiness, but also strengthens connections, making the experience of cooking for others a rewarding and meaningful endeavor that serves as a powerful motivator for socialization, creating memorable moments around the table or barbecue. In conclusion, the transformative power of home-cooked meals extends beyond the kitchen, improving health, saving money, boosting mental well-being, and fostering meaningful social connections. So embark on your culinary journey today and savor the positive changes that await you.